I'm Donna Marie Merritt. I'm a poet and children's author, and I'd like to read a poem today from my newest book. It's called Bible Poems for Reflection and Response. You do not have to be a Bible reader to get something from these poems. You don't even have to be particularly religious to get something, because what I've done is taken how I've interpreted the books of the Bible and applied it to life today. So I talk about things like immigration. I talk about domestic and foreign terrorism. I talk about treating one another with respect. And there's a lot of self-inspection in this book too. So you're taking a look at your own actions and how they affect you, how you can be kinder to yourself and kinder to others. And there are also blank pages and plenty of wide margins in this book so that you can add your own thoughts or poems or doodles as you read. So this poem is called Come. We think we are so strong. Nothing can harm us. We can save ourselves, can protect our family. We surround ourselves with sturdy walls of solid brick. The trick is to keep others out, keep our stockpile in. It's an illusion. Those are not bricks held together with mortar, but thin limbs quaking in wind, shaking fledgling figs, loosening their weak grasp, cast to ground, ground underfoot. Be strong of heart instead. Tread lightly on the feelings of others. Do not shut them out. Share not only your goods, but the good within you. Connect, confess, bless, be blessed, as cold fortress of clay melts away in day sun. And you will breathe, and you will live. You will see beauty in every life here. You will find awe in what is to be. You've spent enough time in your self-made prison. Come, walk in the light.